In this session, I will explain how to set work shift and tool offset using TC Q-SETTER. Q-SETTER provides a function that measures the correction value of the tool and inputs it automatically. Q-SETTER enables the user to set a tool faster and more conveniently than by manually measuring the tool. Before setting, all previously used W movement values should be cleared. Shut down the Q-SETTER manually or by using the MDI command. Move the tool to be measured close to the Q-SETTER in the manual mode. Select the jog mode and touch the sensor using the up, down, left, and right arrow keys. Upon completing the measurement, the measured value is entered on the offset screen automatically. Measure the X-axis, Z-axis of all tools using the same method as described above. When all tools have been measured, call the reference tool among the tools that have been measured. When calling, the tool number and the offset number must be commanded together in the MDI mode. Open the W movement screen when the calling of the tool and offset number is completed. Touch the cross-section of the workpiece and machine it a little. Move the cursor to the Z-axis measurement value on the W movement screen and input 0, and then press the Input button to input the value in the movement amount field automatically. At this time, the values, including that of the machine coordinate system and the tool offset value, are entered in the machine coordinate system. This is the end of my explanation on how to set work shift and tool offset using TC Q-SETTER.